The asteroid belt is a region between the inner planets and outer planets where thousands of asteroids have been orbiting around the Sun. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter is known as the main asteroid belt. Ceres has been considered to be the largest asteroid, taking about 25% of the asteroid belt space. A solar eclipse or eclipse of the Sun occurs when the Moon passes between the Sun and the Earth. It then either covers the Sun partially or completely. We know that our universe is huge and widespread. It is not possible to measure its distances in units, like meters and kilometers. Hence, we use a special distance measuring unit in space. It is called the light year. Scientists have calculated that 1 light year is equal to 9,500,000,000,000 kilometers.